Mama Bellissima. On today's kitchen, I'm preparing palm nut cream and then groundnut based soup. In our local language, we call it Nkateb3. So let's see our ingredients. I'm using smoked cow leg, the skin, the crabs, goat meat, dry fish is very dry, and then my salted octopus, my Kako, and then crabs. I have my fresh fish that I'm going to fry it, and then my smoked fish, assorted smoked fish that I'm going to use it to make our soup. I have my mushroom, Aniseed. I'm using 2. Then 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, Scotch pepper, ginger, my cube. I have 1 Star Cube and then Maggi Cube. My garlic that I'm going to use. Those are my spices that I'm going to use. Natural spices and then other spices. Those flour, oil, palm nut cream, groundnut paste, salt to taste. So let's start. I'm going to blend my ginger garlic, half of onion, and then my Aniseed. Item to season my meat, adding a little bit of water to blend it. I'm cutting the rest of the half onion. Okay, my cube, very hard. My natural spices, my spices, the other one. I'm going to list all the ingredients below the description box for you to see what I use and then the quantity. My meat is very hard, that's why I'm adding more water to it. It's very hard. Then add a little salt to taste. Okay, so I'm going to put it on fire. So I've added my fish spices and then a little bit of salt to taste. So I'm mixing it together. And the reason why I'm frying my fish with my flour, because of those combined ingredients that I'm going to use it for my soup, the groundnut paste and then the palm nut cream. It makes it very delicious. I've already put the oil too on fire. Let me taste it. Okay, it's okay. So I'm coating it with the flour, then fry it. Let's fry our fish. Please try it, it's very delicious. I'm turning my fish for the other side to be fried. Wow. Fish is ready. I'm moving it. Guys, I'm now mixing my granule paste with my 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Going to mix it together and then cook it aside before I put it on my meat. Paste on fire. I've mixed it with tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. That gives it the color. We are going to continue stirring it. Have to continue stirring it until it's cooked. When it's cooked, you will see the oil has come out. You see the oil on top of the granule paste or peanuts. Okay, peanut paste. Guys, let's boil the rest of our ingredients: our onion, tomatoes, and then Scotch pepper. Let's boil it. I'm going to finish right now, Doesn't take time. Okay. Mix only 2 fresh tomatoes. But this soup doesn't need too much of tomatoes. Little bit of water on it. Let me check my meat. Let me check it. Oh, okay. Let me see a little bit. Since my dry fish is very hard, I'm going to add it now. Very hard. This one is not among. Okay. Then cover it again and then leave it for another 20 to 25 minutes because I want my meat to be very soft and tender. The granule paste too is getting ready. Please, my cameraman, view it for my viewers, show it to them. Let me see. The oil has started coming out. It's not ready. I want more oil. My palm nut cream with water, then transfer transfer it onto my meat. Don't want anything to left inside. Mixing my palm nut cream. So right now I'm transferring it straight away onto my meat. This palm nut soup, when you add the groundnut paste, it makes it groundnut palm nut soup. Adding a little bit of water. It's time for me to add my tomatoes, onion, and then Scotch pepper. Look at our groundnut paste. Have you seen it? So we are adding it to use water to raise it inside. It and then see the thickness. Hey, Nkateb3, very delicious soup. And I'm going to enjoy it with rice ball. Very delicious. I like the thickness. I'm not going to add any water to it. I'm adding my fish. Guys, see how my groundnut and palm nut soup is ready. Just look at it. I hope you will try some for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let me serve myself, Yeah. Seen it? Where is it? Yeah. It's here. Okay. Just look at it. Everyone is invited, Hey. Oh. Really delicious. See you in our next recipe. Catch up later. Bye bye.